Hey everyone! Today, I'm here to debunk some common programming myths that might be holding you back. Whether you're new to coding or a seasoned developer, these misconceptions can trip you up. So let's dive right in. Myth number 1. You need to be a math genius to code. This one's a classic, but it's simply not true. While some fields like data science do require a strong math background, most software development tasks rely more on logic and problem-solving skills. Trust me, if you can think logically, you can code. Myth number 2. You must start young to be a good programmer. This myth can be really discouraging, but age is just a number in the programming world. Many successful programmers started in their 30s, 40s, or even later. The key is your passion and willingness to learn. Next up, myth number 3. The more languages you know, the better programmer you are. It's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. Knowing a few languages deeply is far more valuable than having surface-level knowledge of many. Focus on mastering the languages that are most relevant to your field. Myth number 4. Coding is all about sitting in front of a computer all day. While coding does involve a lot of screen time, it's also about collaboration, creativity, and sometimes even stepping away from the screen to think through problems. Don't let this myth scare you away from pursuing a career in tech. Finally, myth number 5. You need a computer science degree to be a programmer. This is a big one. Many of today's top developers are self-taught or have non-traditional backgrounds. Online courses, boot camps, and personal projects can be just as valuable as a formal degree. What matters most is your ability to solve problems and build things. So, there you have it. 5 common programming myths debunked. Remember, the world of programming is vast and welcoming to everyone, regardless of your background or age. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech content. Have any other myths you want me to debunk? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding.